oh, look at this one. Oh. Welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today is the start of June reset vlog. I am trying to get back into content creation actively and also properly do it, create more content in the month of June. So you guys know the drill. The reset vlog is not just about planning my content, it's also about fixing the house, getting things done. So today is Sunday. This is the last week of May and the last week of school as well. Alhamdulillah, like 9 whole months of supporting our kids through school and helping them with homework, helping the school help them at home, and just encouraging them, being there for them, showing up for whatever school event and all that. We did the whole of award ceremonies last week, so this is the last week of school. My veil is kind of somehow everything, I don't know, ignore it. But yeah, this is why I want to start the vlog. One thing that I am yet to do, almost a month now after Eid or Ramadan, over a month after Ramadan and almost a month after Eid, I am yet to put down my Ramadan decor from downstairs, from downstairs, and even from my beauty room. So I started doing that last week on Mother's Day because I had to put this beautiful frame up that Khairia made for me. It says, "Moms are like buttons, they hold everything together. Love, Khairia, you are the best." So I just felt like this is so perfect for this space. So I removed this used to be there. And another thing I need to take out and take downstairs, because I don't like too many stuffs here, is this tray that I used. So these are the things that are in my beauty room that needs to go downstairs and help let me pack it up. Then I'm going to go downstairs now to remove the other ones. Other things I need to do actually again is to make Hairia's hair. I need to make her hair. Her hair is so rough. There's been lots of water activities, swimming, beach day at school, so I need to also loosen up her hair and make it. So let's start this vlog here today. I'm going to bring you guys as much as I can, but right now I need to go get something to eat and remove the remove the Ramadan stuff downstairs. My battery is low. I forgot to put the camera on charge yesterday after I filmed the content, so unfortunately I won't be bringing you guys along other things. But let me charge here. That is a big trash bag there I've been using to collect trash all around the house. So let me charge this and get to work. Hey guys, welcome to this is another day of this January June reset vlog. So it's been an early start, very early start. I just I've not left, but I just finished at the driver's license renewal place. Alhamdulillah. What happened yesterday was that I totally forgot that they don't open on Mondays, so I came here, did a wasted journey, but I came back early today. I was like, oh, I want to be here first, so that I don't waste time. But I tried. When I came, there were about a dozen people ahead, so I was like, but most of them are fresh high school leavers that are getting licenses for the first time. So every parent is trying to do it as quickly as possible, and I'm so glad I'm able to do it. So I got my temporary license and I'm glad that I've done it. This one is, I'm going to hold it for like another 21 days, no, 120 days. What is wrong with me? 120 days while I wait for the original, the hard copy or the card itself to come in. They said in 30 to 45 business days. So today is going to be a long day. I have lots of returns to make and errands to run. I know we just did shoe shopping for Khairia. Oh, look at this one. Oh yeah, so I have captured Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. So I need to do some returns. I was talking about shoes for Kairia, right? Yes, we got high-heeled shoes, but the girl has just been suffering, like wearing tight school shoes. Even though tomorrow is the last day of school, she needs a pair of sneaker and sandal for this thing for summer. So I'm going to do that with her later when I pick her up from school. But this morning I have two stuff I want to return. One is Zara. The mister got me a cohort set from Zara, and it is so beautiful, but unfortunately the website said it was running, like the sizes ran large, so he decided to like get me large for the trouser, which normally should have fit, then medium for the top, which also fits. But there's a way I love my two-piece outfits to fit my body, so I feel like it's too tight and I need to return it. It is actually very nice. I'm going to show you guys before I return it. I have it here in the car. So that is USPS. Then DHL, I need to pick up hand fans because oh my, I'm just loving this sun. iPhone works better in natural light, or at least with proper light. However, it is very shitty like when it's not real light or sunlight. I don't know why they did it that way, but anyways, so yeah, that is what I have to do. I'm going to show you guys the clothes too, but I need to start making stops. I want to buy hand fan because of heat. It is very hot, so I need to buy small models carry hand fans because I get panic attacks when it's too hot. I can't stand it, so having fan to help me circulate the air and breathe better is this. So how are you guys doing? As part of the cleaning, the cleaners are in the house, so I am so pumped up. I told her to please do a very good job. I want thorough cleaning. I put out all the bed sheets that she's going to change. I put it all out for her. I'm sure she's going to do a fantastic job. She understands my house very well, so she knows every nooks and crannies and the crevices of the house, so I don't have a problem with that. But as it's looking, this reset vlog is going to end today, but I'm not sure at what point. But let me go run all these errands and we'll be right back. I'll update as we go. So the first stop I wanted to make, they've changed their hours, so I need like 1 hour. I have like 1 hour to burn before they open, so I'm at CVS. But what I'm going to do, go to CVS, going to CVS, go to USPS, turn back into Walmart, drive back down there. The other return I need to make, I'm going to beg the mister to handle it after work. So this is the outfit that the mister got for me from Zara. It is this thick satin two-piece, and they call it the satin effect. They call it the satin effect. It is really beautiful. I can't even look at how heavy and how thick it is. The top fits perfectly. The top is my perfect size. It's even a bit loose on me, but I just feel like, okay, if I should wear an extra large on a medium, then it's going to be, the body this thing figure or shape is going to be too out. So I'm going to return both of them, and I have already ordered the extra large for pants and large for top. That is what I feel comfortable in. So this is the pant. Like, it is really beautiful. I'm going to link it in the description box. The trouser is $69.90 and the top is $49.90. And I love the color as well. It's not gray, it's more like a deep green, because they call it khaki, so like military color green, like that is the color, but I don't know why it's coming off as gray on here, but it's not gray. So I'm going to, it's currently 8:54. I'm going to casually, slowly walk into CVS, get a tape, get my hand fan because I don't have tape and I need tape for this. USPS have finally decided to stop letting people use their tape. I don't know, it's like that part of the American government is moving from worse to worse all the time. So yesterday I was there again and I was looking for tape and they're like, well, they don't. I was even looking to buy, but they didn't have in stock. Whether they are trying to like not let people buy tapes, and they said, oh, but if I'm going to send it via priority, they are going to tape it for free. I was like, okay, send it by priority. If I was going to send it via priority with my own tape, it probably would have been just maybe $8 for what I sent, but I had to pay $10 for it. So this one now, even though I have to return it to them, they won't tape it for me for free. They won't. So other shoes I had gotten for Adla for summer, let me quickly show you guys. So she picked out these shoes from River Island, but I totally forgot that the sizes I needed to order UK 2 for her to be able to get a US 1. So I made a mistake and I did UK 1, and that turned out to be US 13, and she is 13. So, and no, she's not 13, she is a 1, US 1, and that's made this too small. I mean, if I want to waste money, I'll say that okay, she can use it, but no. This is it. She picked it herself and I feel so bad. I ordered it again and it's stuck at US custom, which is strange, which is really strange. So I reached out to them. They said they will issue a refund. This is the second slippers she picked, which is actually very beautiful. I hate it that she's not getting it, so I'll try again. I'll try to order it again because she really likes these two shoes. But for now, I just have to go get her something that she can manage because she only has Crocs and one slippers that we picked during Eid. I'm making too much noise with this. So.
Can we have one?
Yeah, I was even craving beans. I just cook.
Hey guys, so update on this vlog. It's been hours later. I've just been in and out. I've not really rested. When I came back home, I filmed some content. I rested. The cleaners were cleaning. Oh my goodness, they did a fantastic job. So they just left. I had to, when I went to pick the kids up from school and I came back, they were still here. That is how I love her so much. She understands my house. She knows the details. She said that one time she told me that I actually taught her how to properly clean. We are age mates, so we kind of relate a lot. So like I told her how, you know how we do proper Nigeria cleaning now. So the first few times she came, every time I would tell her, okay, one thing, how to do it, and she picked up on that, and she knows how I like my this. Let me remove my glass. It's very cloudy. It's about to rain. So I just picked Kyria up. No, sorry, I picked them up, but I'm tired. I can't even think straight right now. That is how tired I am, guys. So it's just Kyria and I. And Sari is at home with his dad. We are quickly going to pick up some shoes before the rain starts heavily. Tomorrow is the last day of school. Alhamdulillah, I'm so excited.
Yeah, and tomorrow's tie-dye day. We get the tie-dye.
Yeah, they have a tie-dye today. Tomorrow I have to look for a tie and dye shirt for her. Hopefully I can find something at Dollar General because it's spring summer, so there are a lot of beach things on the rack. So maybe I'll get that. So, but I want to end this vlog. This is my January. Why do I keep saying January? This is my June reset vlog, and yeah. I made Kyria's hair as well. I'll insert a clip. The house was clean. Oh, one thing again, the school gave us hot dog as parents that drive, that come to pick up kids. So they gave us hot dogs. That is all I've had today. When I come back, I'm going to lose my hair. And yeah, I need to lose my hair, because one thing with my hair is that once it's too old, like it has gotten matted, I start having headaches. That is how I know that okay, there are new growths. Anytime I pack it, it stretches too much and it gives me headache, and that headache is going to forever linger there until I lose my hair. So when I come back, I'm going to lose my hair so that I can relieve myself of the headache. So yeah, it's just been an eventful weekend for me, reset for me, and please subscribe to my channel
And thumbs up.
and thumbs up. Listen to the girl. I love Kairia. Say, Kairia, can you show them your hair?
Oh yes, I can, because I'm a nerd.
I'll put a video of her hairstyle. It's simple, but I just love how it brought out her forehead and her face. So bye guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Madam.